So this is our first sum. In this sum, it is asked that find the area of a regular pentagon ABCDE of side 4 cm and AD equal to BD equals to 5 cm. And the second question is regular hexagon of side 6 cm. We have to find the area. So it is asked to find a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon will have all sides equal. Regular pentagon will have all sides equal. So first we begin with number 1. So first we will make the diagram. Regular pentagon will have all sides equal. Okay. So this will equal this will equal this, and this. So regular pentagon ABCDE of side 4 cm. So if this is 4 cm, this is also 4 cm, this is 4 cm, this is 4 cm, and this is 4 cm. Clear? And said that we have to name it ABCDE. So we put the name over here, A, B, C, D, E. Next, what is said is AD is equal to BD equals to 5 cm. That means if we join A to D, and the line is a bit tilted, and from B to D, okay, joining A to D and B to D, AD is 5 cm and BD is also 5 cm. So if we see over here, in this particular pentagon, we are getting 3 triangles. One is BCD triangle, triangle ABD, and triangle ADE. Clear? And in each of the triangle, if we look, we have 2 sides equal and 1 unequal side. In triangle BCD, 2 sides are 4 cm, 1 is 5 cm. In triangle BDA, 2 sides are 5 cm, 1 side is 4 cm. And in triangle AED, 2 sides is 4 cm, 1 side is 5 cm. So that means a triangle having 2 sides equal is called to be an isosceles triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so we can also find out using the Heron's formula. That is, first we have to find out the semi-perimeter, then go ahead. But that is a bit longer formula. So in order to get the area of the pentagon, so we can write that area of pentagon A, B, C, D, E will be equal to area of triangle BCD. I think it's visible, plus area of triangle BDA plus area of triangle ADE. Okay, the formula that we are going to use to find out the area of isosceles triangle is this way. We can write the formula as, I'm writing it over here. Okay, let's write it over here. So area B by 4 root over of 4a square minus b square. Okay, in this b is the base and a is the equal sides. Okay, let's keep it in a box as of now, because when I'm going to do it, it will get mixed up with this. So according to this formula, we will use this formula to take out the area of this isosceles triangle. So first one is b by 4. B is the base, so base is this one. In triangle BCD, base is 5 by 4 root over of 4 into a square is the equal side. Over here equal side is 4 centimeter. 4 square minus again b square means the base square, plus next of this triangle, this is the equal side 5 centimeter and the base is 4 centimeter over here. So we will write 4 by 4 root over of 4 into 5 square minus 4 square, because 4 is the equal side again. Sorry, 4 is the base over here again. Okay, again we put the base over there. And next, so this whole thing plus, I'm putting it over here again, of triangle ADE, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This is the equal side and this is the base. So 554 is the base, root over of 4 into 4 square minus 5 whole square. This full thing will be in centimeter square. Clear? Now if you look over here, you see this area and this area is same. Area of triangle BCD and area of triangle ADE are same. So in the next step, what we will do is, we will just multiply 2 with one of the area, so we don't have to count it again. Okay, so we write over here 2 into 5 by 4 root over of 4 into 4 square minus 5 by 2 plus this one 4 by 4 root over of 4 into 5 square minus 4 square centimeter square. We'll cut this 2, we get this 1. So the next step what we'll write is 5 by 2 root over of 4 into 16 minus 25 plus root over of 4 into 25 minus 16 centimeter square. Done. The next part, again 5 by 2, this whole will be in centimeter square, root over of 16 4s are 64 minus 25 plus root over of 100 minus 16. Clear? Centimeter square. Next is 5 by 2 root over of 39 plus root over of 84 centimeter square. This can also be your answer, or you can proceed ahead. 5 by 2 root over of 39 plus, if we proceed with 84, it's 42 and it's 21. So this will be your 2 and this 21. So it can be 2 root 21 centimeter square is the answer. Clear? I'll show it again from the beginning. It goes in this way. This is the formula we are using for taking out the area of the isosceles triangle. And then it proceeds in this way. I hope this is clear to you. Now we begin with the next one. The next one is area of a regular hexagon of size 6 centimeter. Hexagon. Hexagon will have how many sides? 6 sides. Hexagon will have 6 sides. So first we will draw an hexagon over here. 1 and 2. I'm not so good at drawing, but yet I'll try to make it geometrically correct. Okay, done. So this is an hexagon which will have all sides 6 centimeter. 6, 6, 6 and 6. All sides are equal. So that means if we take a middle point, start joining them, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equilateral triangle. We get 6 equilateral triangle over here. If we join all the, take a midpoint and join it. So for taking out 6 equilateral triangle, so the formula of hexagon we know already, or we can take the formula of an equilateral triangle and multiply it with 6, or the area of regular hexagon formula we know 3 by 2 root 3 into side square, or we can write 3 by 2 if we take side to be a, then a square. Clear? So in this case we are given a to be 6 centimeter. So the answer will be 3 by 2 root over of 3 into 6 centimeter square. 3 by 2 root over of 3 into 36 So it's 18 centimeter square, which will give us 3 into 18 is 54 root 3 centimeter square is the answer. I hope it's clear. I'll show it again. Okay.